The download link for the Install Assistant package file is listed in the description below this video. You can click it directly or copy and paste it into your browser to begin the download. The file you are downloading is Apple's official Install Assistant.pkg. This is the standard package format Apple uses to distribute macOS installers outside of the Mac App Store. Once installed, it places the full macOS installer application into your Applications folder, which you will then use to deploy the operating system onto a USB drive. The link used in this video was sourced from Mr. Macintosh. The file is approximately 17 gigabytes, so download time will vary depending on your internet connection speed. To help stabilize the download, open Terminal by searching for it in Spotlight. In the Terminal window, type ping swcdn.apple.com, then press Return. This sends continuous pings to Apple's software distribution servers, which helps maintain a stable connection to them throughout the download. Leave the Terminal window open until the download completes. Once the download finishes, close Terminal. The package file will be in your Downloads folder, accessible from the dock at the bottom of your screen. Double-click the file to launch the installation wizard. Follow the on-screen prompts and enter your password when asked. At the end of the process, you will be prompted to keep or move the package file to the trash. That completes the download and installation of macOS. To continue and create a bootable USB drive, follow the next video linked on screen.